Hi, this is David with BestRest Products, home of the cycle pump tire inflator that has a lifetime warranty. Today we're going to be talking about Guglatech fuel filters. Guglatech is a company from Italy that makes a fuel filter that's designed to pre-filter your fuel before it gets to your fuel pump or your existing stock fuel filter. Think of it as a pre-filter that keeps all the bad crud from getting inside your gas tank. It has a mesh design of the material that is small enough that it will allow fuel to pass through, but the mesh is so tight that it won't allow water molecules to pass through, water or sand or rust or any other contaminants that you might get. So why do you need a fuel filter before your regular fuel filter? You want to prevent bad gas from getting to your motorcycle components, and that includes your stock fuel filter. If that gets clogged on the trail, you have a serious problem, because most of them are buried deep inside your gas tank, and it's not something you can typically service by the side of the road or on a trail. An example that I had on one trip was I filled up at a small gas station. I guess it was questionable fuel, and a few miles later the bike started spitting and sputtering, and I didn't think I was going to make it off the top of that mountain. Well, I did. I got to civilization, I got rid of that bad fuel, I put in fresh fuel, and everything was fine. Probably that gas station had a bunch of water in their tank, and that's what I ended up with. These Guglatech fuel filters are very easy to install. For most models, it's simply a matter of rolling them up in this fashion, slipping it down into the filler nozzle of your gas tank. They expand out, and then when you're ready to fuel your bike, your fuel nozzle goes into the hole and you fill as normal. The gas penetrates the mesh and goes into your gas tank. Some models require that it be installed beneath the gas cap, and each bike is different. We have a chart, we have a video showing the install, and we'll do that later in this video. If you need to clean this filter, you simply remove it from the gas tank. You can rinse it out with gas, remove all the impurities, and reuse it again and again and again. But what this filter will do is it'll keep you from getting things like varnish or water or oil or anything else into your gas. All you're going to end up with in your gas tank is clean fuel. Now, if the fuel is really old, it's gotten to the point where it no longer has any oomph to it, this isn't going to solve that. And it's not going to solve alcohol. So if you have ethanol gas, it's not going to solve that problem. Unfortunately, nothing can. But this will give you clean, fresh fuel every time you fill up, whether you do it at a busy store in a downtown area or you do it from some small gas station run by mom and pop on top of a mountain. This will save you a lot of headaches on the trail, and they're relatively inexpensive considering the protection that you're getting. One of the questions you might ask is, how much will this filter slow down the fueling process? In other words, right now I can stick a gas service station nozzle down into my tank, hit it full blast, and it fills up pretty quickly. So we're going to do a test. Here's a 1 gallon container, 1 gallon of fuel, and we're going to see how long it takes to pour it directly into this container. And all the fuel is in the bottle down below. Now we're going to do another test, only this time we're going to fill this jug through the Guglatech filter itself. I've rolled up the filter just as though I would do if I was installing it in a motorcycle. Remember that some motorcycles require that you install it from the inside, but this one is just like the one on my BMW 1200 GS, and it comes down from the top. I'm using an installation tool to spread out the mesh of the bag. It's a wire with a bead on the end, and what I'm trying to do is to get the filter to expand like butterfly wings so that we get the maximum amount of material to the gas. We have our jug of gas, and we begin. fill was. And we're done. When you compare the filling time between a jug that didn't have a filter, 23 seconds, and the filling time for the jug with the filter, there's only a 3-second difference. So does it slow down the fuel transfer? Yes, just a little bit. And each model will be slightly different based upon the size of the mesh, and the mesh is sized based upon the gas tank and the particular needs of that model of motorcycle. Let's say I had to clean this filter because I know it's got a bunch of stuff in it or it's got a bunch of water in it. If I simply take and gently twist it as I pull it out of the gas tank, it will come out without damage to the mesh itself. And I could take and clean this, or I could let it dry out. Now we're going to show you the water filtration and foreign material test. I've got my can of gas, I've got my jug, and here I have 200 milliliters of water. I'm going to pour the water into my gas can, and for good measure, I'm going to take a handful of crud. We'll assume this is trail crud, sand, whatever it might be. I'm going to put that in my gas, tighten that down, mix it around real good so we get everything in suspension. After spending a couple of minutes trying to defeat this EPA-approved gas can, we're finally ready to go. We've got 200 milliliters of water, we've got a handful of trail crud. We're now going to transfer it through the Guglatech filter, which is already in place in the jug. What we'll end up with is pure, clean fuel inside the white jug, and we're going to trap all the water and all the dirt and other things that I had thrown into this gas can. Think of this as the worst case scenario that you may encounter at some backcountry gas station or someplace where they're sucking the bottom of the tank and you're getting all the rust and other contaminants. And we're a little slow in the filling, but that's because I'm fighting with this nozzle. Okay, all the fuel has been transferred. It's all inside. This gas can is empty. When we pull the filter out, we're going to have water inside the filter, and we're going to pour it back into this container to show that we still have water in there. And if you can see it in the camera, I have a bag of water that remains inside the Guglatech filter. And when I pour that out, I've got 200 milliliters of dirty water that was filtered away from this fuel. This fuel is pure and pristine. The Guglatech filter did exactly what it was designed to do. If you have this system in place on your motorcycle and you go to fill up, you can be assured that the gas that gets into your engine is only gas that's been filtered clean of any water or other contaminants. And a close-up shows exactly what the filter kept from going into my motorcycle fuel system. All the dirt, all the crud that I had thrown into that gas can. And inside the filter, you can see the dark markings that indicates the contaminants that are still inside the mesh. Now I can clean that out by flushing it from the outside down through the nozzle, and we'll do that before I install this filter, which is going to go in my own personal BMW 1200 GS. So this Guglatech introduction video has shown you what the filter is and how it works. We've shown you that it doesn't cut down on filling fuel into your gas tank. If it does, it's just a tiny little amount. We've shown that it filters out contaminants like water and other crud that you might get from a service station. We've talked briefly about the install. We'll make some other install videos, you can watch those. When you order from BestRest, you're going to get a filter that looks like this, comes in a plastic bag. Each one installs differently. In this case, on my 800 GS, this is going to require that I remove the cap and put it on the underside of the nozzle. This is for a service gas tank. It's going to drop right down I put the cap in place and off I go. This one is for Steve's BMW Sertao. This one is for KTM 1190. This one is for a Husqvarna 701. So there's different kits. Depending upon what comes with the kit, that will determine the price. But they're really reasonable when you consider the downside of getting bad gas inside your motorcycle. This is David with BestRest Products, home of the cycle pump tire inflator that has a lifetime warranty. We'll see you on the trail.
Fuel filter, take 2.
And pause. You can cut it. Most models simply roll up like this. They slip inside the nozzle or the opening of your gas tank, and then you fill through the
Filler neck.
Thank you. All right. Tighten that down. Mix it around real good so we get everything in suspension. And then defeat my gas nozzle . I'm going to need another zip. Boy, that thing is a